Hello guys, this is Charlie from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, I will discuss the differences between QQQ and QQQM. Watch till the end to know the final verdict on which is better, but first, let's start with the differences. So, the main difference between them is the drawdowns. Since its inception, QQQ has experienced a maximum drawdown of minus 82.98%, whereas its QQQM sister ETF has encountered a slightly lower drawdown of about minus 35.05%. Drawdowns are crucial for measuring losses from any peak point along stock prices. Despite the huge differences in their historical drawdowns, the two ETFs have maintained a narrow gap of about 0.2% in the better part of their last 7 months. Therefore, QQQM takes the win in this category as it presents with a lower drawdown since its inception. Volatility. Volatilities help in assessing ETF's price fluctuation with time. Currently, QQQ presents with a volatility value of about 5.19%, whereas its QQQM counterpart has a volatility of about 5.22%. Usually, larger volatilities indicate possibilities of price fluctuations by huge values, hence increased investment risks. In this instant, though, the 0.03% disparity in the ETF's volatilities merely causes a significant difference in their price fluctuations, hence almost similar price fluctuation time graphs. Although the win is almost insignificant, QQQ bags it in this category. Expense ratio. As much as Invesco manages both funds in reference to Nasdaq 100 as the underlying index, the ETFs charge expense ratios independently of one another. Currently, QQQ investors have to pay an expense ratio cost equivalent to 0.2% of their total assets. On the other hand, QQQM investors reimburse for services offered to them with a slightly lower expense ratio of 0.15%. This 0.05% difference in expense ratios may escalate to huge cost differences, especially if the investments are massive. Therefore, QQQM outsmarts QQQ in this category due to its lower expense ratios. But do they have similarities? Yes. QQQ and QQQM are similar in that some of their risk-adjusted metrics are identical. For instance, each of the ETFs currently presents a Sharpe ratio of 2.99, resulting in the overlapping of their Sharpe ratio time graphs. Also, identical stock price fluctuations result in identical return-based performance. To sum up, which is better, QQQ or QQQM? I began by investing in QQQ before switching to QQQM due to the latter's low expense ratios. Funny enough, almost all the remaining provisions, such as volatilities and recent drawdowns, are almost identical that a novice investor may fail to realize their slight difference. Either way, the subtle difference in the ETF's expense ratio informs my choice to settle for QQQM as the ultimate winner. Thanks for watching.